So far, there is nothing about the Yacht Club that is not worth every single penny.
Alright, about to check out our deluxe suite in the Yacht Club, 18030 on the MSC Seaside. So, we've got these cool wristbands, so we don't have to even have their key card. And let me in.
Oh, wow. Oh, cow.
Look at this. Enormous. Huge.
That is a big.
There's a rain shower. That's the regular shower head. I'm feeling Yacht Clubby. All the fancy shampoos and conditioners and everything. A sewing kit, a shower cap. There's a fold out like makeup mirror if you need it.
Let's go check out the rest of the room. All right. So this is absolutely first impression spot. All right. So that'll be our king bed.
Yeah. There's a light in the closet. Plenty of closet space, by the way. Mixed nuts.
With your other arm, grip your shoulder to stop your life jacket from riding up. All safety information is found.
I have a newspaper menu, so we can choose. Let's see what our choices are. Here's for the U.S., but if you want it from another country, those are available as well. Yacht Club minibar menu.
Bar menu.
We can let them know what we want specifically. Laundry service bag.
Oh, there's jams.
Honey.
It's for tea. It's a whole tea set.
There's a whole tea set in there.
Let's see what's pre-stocked. Tea, Coke, Fanta, tonic water, Heineken, Sprite, and a Toblerone. Oh, I think that's another closet. Oh, that's where our robes are.
Oh yeah, we got robes and slippers.
Those look fancier.
I forgot that we got robes and
And
slippers.
here,
Those do look nicer than the slippers we got before. Drawers. So this can be my closet and that can be yours.
why do you get your own closet?
We have two closets. Why don't I get my own closet? Whole little like selection of fruits here.
That's the tiniest banana.
I don't know if that's like some kind of special banana. There's a kiwi, there's strawberries, looks like a plum, a peach. I think that's just an apple.
What is that? What is that with the spike?
I forgot what those are called. I can't remember what they're called. It's a great pleasure to welcome you to the MSC Yacht Club aboard the MSC Seaside. We invite you to savor the exquisite Mediterranean and international recipes at your private a la carte restaurant. Enjoy your favorite beverage, gourmet bites, and afternoon tea as you take in the panoramic views from the comfort of the top cell lounge. Soak up the sun at the one pool sun deck while sampling a wide selection of refreshments. Unwind and recharge at the MSC Aurea Spa with complimentary access to the thermal area. It's a pretty nice sized balcony.
That is a very large balcony. So that's,
lay down and still wouldn't be touched.
yeah, that's probably 10 to 12 feet long.
I mean, how many Ashleys it is?
How many Ashleys the balcony is. This is how we're going to do all of our balcony measurements now. So
it comes to like just at the edge of the door. That's at least 2 Ashleys. So the balcony is officially about 2 Ashleys plus I'd say a foot. 5'9". We'll round up and call that 6.
So it's about 12 foot.
So 12-ish foot.
12 foot. And I'd say that's about 6.
Yeah, I'd say it's pretty close.
So balcony on this is about 6 by 12. So now that we have explored the room and got into our room, we're going to put our stuff down and we're going to go eat lunch at our exclusive for a specialty restaurant, all included in the Yacht Club. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, we would love for you to follow along on our journeys by hitting the subscribe button and help us grow by hitting the like and turning on notifications. We will see you in the next one.